guys, welcome back. It's Boys Hip Hop class number 2. So let's get ready for dance class.
And also, you guys don't want to forget your water bottles if you're thirsty at the end. Don't forget your water bottles, just like a Captain America one, any kind.
Any kind of water bottle. Stay hydrated while we do this dance class.
Yes.
Okay, let's get going. Okay, first thing we're going to do is a warm-up, and we're going to do high knees. So put our hands in front. We're going to hit our knees, and we're going to run. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good job. Okay, next workout we're going to do is squats. So we're going to bend our knees and go down. So let's do 10.
2, 3, 4,
3. Good. 4, 5,
8,
6,
9,
7, 8. Good. 9, 10. High five.
I got 10 for you.
Yeah, I did. Okay, so this next one we're going to do is what I like to call V-ups or toe touches. But we're going to do them laying on the ground as crunches. So, arms go above your head, super straight. Okay? Next thing you're going to do is try to reach up and touch your toes so your legs will raise. Yep, just like that. And then everything lays back down. So that was 1. We're going to go for 10, okay? Go 2. And back down. Go 3. And back down. Go 4. And back down. Good. Go 5. Back down. 6. Back down. 7. All the way back down. All the way back down. 8. All the way back down. All the way. 9. Good. All the way back down. And 10. Woo. Good job. Okay, so now we're going to do animal transitions, and Siden's going to demonstrate. So we are going to walk around the room and do our animals, and the first one we're going to do is the crab. So we're going to be crab walking.
The crab's easy.
Yep, show them the crab walk. How do you do the crab walk? Walk around the room. You can go backwards. You can go forward. You can go whichever way you want.
Yeah, you can also do it this way.
Yep.
Or
Go
the
sideways. Yep. Now walk back to me. Walk, walk, walk. Keep your bum off the floor when you're doing your crab walk. And good. Good job. Okay, the next one is the inchworm. So we're going to put our hands down on the ground. We're going to walk out and do a push-up. Walk out, walk. Keep your knees up. Walk out, walk out, walk out. Now, leave your hands where they are and walk your feet in. Walk your feet, walk your feet, walk your feet. All the way up. Good. Okay, now do those around the room. Ready? Go. So you're going to go legs up, straighten your legs. Keep your legs straight. Arms go out. Bring your arms here. Arms. Now feet. Leave your hands. Now arms. Then feet. Good. Okay, now come back and do it this way. Legs straight. Arms walk out and do a push-up. Feet come all the way back in. Arms go out and feet come back in. Good. Good job. Okay, so this time we're going to be monkeys now instead of the gorilla. So the gorilla, we stay down and pound our chest.
Yeah.
In the monkeys, we transition down and up. So, yep, that's the gorilla pound.
Yeah.
We're going to do the monkey swing. Go, monkey. All the way around the room. Good. Do it a few times. If you have a big house, do it around a full room. Or if you want, you can go outside and do it around the whole house or the yard.
Yeah.
Okay, now we're going to move on to tricks. Okay, so first thing we do when we do a headstand, we put our hands next to our knees. We don't move them, we glue them. Then we put our head down, and we don't want to face plant. We want to go on top of the head. When we go down, we don't want to go on the forehead. We don't want to go right here. And we also don't want to go on the very tip top of our head, so back here. We want to go kind of right in between the two. So we're going to try to put our head right here on the ground. Okay, so you put your head down on the ground, and then you're going to pike your legs up like he just did. And then you're going to try to straighten your back and get lifted up. So if you need help, use help first. And if it hurts your head too much, maybe start with a pillow.
Yeah.
So the thing Sidon did was he moved his hands. We don't want to move our hands. We want to keep them right where they are, because if you move them, it makes you lose your balance. So you got to keep the little triangle figure in your headstand, okay?
And also you can get help from my mom, dad, or grandpa, grandma, your aunt, anybody.
Anybody can help you, okay?
Yes.
Now you try to do it all by yourself.
Okay.
Awesome. Good job. Good start, right? Okay, the next trick we're going to try that Sidon's going to demonstrate is a basic windmill, and it's just to get you ready to do a big, huge windmill. So right now we're going to start very little, and we're going to do our legs on the ground. So you start laying down on your back with your legs together. You're going to cross, so pick a leg, and it's going to cross over. Then it's going to make a rainbow and circle around. Okay, so do the leg. So cross your leg and do a circle all the way around. Yep, and put it back down on the ground. Good. Okay, now the second leg is gonna follow. So the first leg picks up, it crosses over, it raises. Now when it's here, this leg comes up here. So now they're straight. And then they both come together. Okay, can you try your legs?
Yeah.
Ready, go. Cross, open V, and together. Boom. Okay, now here's the tricky part. This time we're going to flip over onto our bellies. So your legs start, they go. One. So first leg, other leg. Cross, both open. Now when you come together, I want you to flip to your belly. Flip, flip, boom.
I can do that. That's easy.
Yeah.
Now I'm gonna do it by myself.
Okay, now Sidon's gonna try it all by himself. Go.
Okay.
And flip. Good, now do it one more time. And I wanna see if you can do it faster. Can you do it faster?
Yeah, I can.
Okay. Good job. High five, that was a good one. And that's the beginning of a windmill. Okay, so the last trick we're going to do is an L kick, or very well known as a Jordan or Air Jordan. So basically what an L kick is a one-handed handstand, and your legs go into an L. Okay, so this one's really tricky. A lot of people don't know how to do these yet, so I would recommend starting with two hands handstands. So you can go down, two hands. You can kick your legs up and just do one leg at a time, and then try to lift up one arm off the ground. Lift one arm up, Sai.
I can't.
I got you. Just one arm up. Boom! L kick. Good. Come down. Okay, now if I'm gonna do the handstand with only one arm instead of two arms, I bring my arm up and I'm gonna swing it down and go up into my handstand. So can you try to just swing down onto one hand and kick up your legs? Good. So see, that's great for beginners. See how as he went down, he got scared, so he put his second hand down. That's okay. That's okay to start. Once you get better, you can slowly just start doing it with only one hand. And the goal is to keep your chest really open. Okay, so Sidon, can you try that one more time? Boom. Good. Now jump off the floor when you do it. Good. And the goal is to get your legs to look like an L. So one leg leads, pulls, and drop back down. Okay, now what we're going to do is a dance move. We're going to do the toprock to start. So we're standing on our feet. Can you show them how to stand on your feet? Good.
Like this?
Yep. Okay. And we're going to step forward and back and put your weight on that foot. So forward and back.
Okay.
Do it. Forward and back. And then do the other way. Forward and back.
Okay.
Forward and back. Now we're gonna add rhythm. So we're bouncing and forward and back, forward and back. So we want to avoid leaning back. A top rock is putting the weight on top of the foot. So I'm rocking on top, rock, rock, top, rock, rock, top, rock, rock, top. Can you try? Ready? 5.
How did you do it?
We're gonna do it again. We're gonna go that way. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Go forward and back and forward and back. Forward and back and forward and back. Got it?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, the next one we're gonna do is the Charlie rock. So our feet are gonna go out. So we're gonna do like pigeon toes. Can you do pigeon toes?
Yes.
Yep. Okay, so now we're doing pigeon toe feet, but now we're gonna pick up a foot. Yep, and we're gonna push it forward. Now when we push it forward, the feet can go out.
Like this?
Yep. Then we go back and back. So we're stepping in front and in back. Can you do that? So glue this foot to the ground. And we're gonna step forward and back. Now bounce. Forward and back. Go. Forward and back. Again. Forward and back. Again. Forward and back. Again. Forward and back. Can you try with the other leg? Glue this foot down. Glue it. Now we're gonna do forward and back. Good. Now forward and back. And then you just got to get it faster. So forward and back. Forward and back. The better you get, you can start twisting your ankles. Twisting, twisting, twisting. Twisting, twisting, twisting. Okay, so now we're going to try to combine the top rock and the Charlie rock. So we're going to go top rock back, top rock back, Charlie rock, Charlie rock. Okay, so now me and Sidon are gonna do it together. We're gonna go slow. Ready? Go forward. Other foot. Go forward.
Oh.
And back. Other way. Forward. And back. And we're gonna do the Charlie rock. Forward. This foot. This foot.
Oh.
And back. Forward and back. Now we're gonna do the other foot. Forward and back. Forward and back. Good job. So if we go fast, it goes forward and back. Forward and back. Forward, back. Forward, back. Forward, back. Forward, back. Better you get, more direction changes you can make, and that's just really fun to do to the music. Turn on a song and just groove to the music. Okay, the next dance move we're gonna do is called the W freeze. Do you know how to do the W freeze?
No.
Okay, so the W freeze, we're gonna go bounce, and then we're gonna rock our hips forward, and then we're gonna tuck and make a W. Freeze. Freeze. Then we're gonna rock back up. Rock. Back to my feet. And up. So it goes hips forward, hips back, hips forward. Then we go backwards. Backwards, forwards, backwards. So from the side, it goes hips forward, then backwards, then knees back. Okay, so freeze. Then we go backwards, backwards, and forward. So when you get really good, you can go like whack, 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 and bring it back. But hopefully you don't have a baby in your belly when you do it, huh? Can you try it by yourself?
Cool. The wah, wah, wah.
Yep, the wah, wah, wah. Ready? Rock, rock, rock. Show them what you can do. 1, 2, freeze. Says the W, freeze. 1, 2, W. And back. 1, 2, up. Good job. So the last move we're going to do is called the Zulu spin. And how we do that is we go down on the ground, so side in, drop down, like me. And we're going to have our feet in front of us, but they're not going to be next to each other, they're going to be open. Okay? And what we're going to do is rotate our bodies in circles. So we're going to keep our bum up and we're going to rotate around. Now with the Zulu spin, you want to keep the leg closest to your bum. You want to keep that foot planted. So you're basically spinning on it and this foot is just going where it needs to go. So I'm up like this and I rotate staying on that foot and I'm back and I rotate and I'm back. And as you can see, you can go any direction that you want. Poseidon's gonna show you how to do it. So you can face them. So we're gonna go up in our crab walk. Crab walk. We're gonna glue, which foot are you gonna glue? Show them which foot. Point at the foot. So glue your foot to the ground. The other foot is hovering and it cannot touch the ground. Because if it touches the ground is hot lava now. And this foot does not have hot lava proof shoes on. So now we're gonna lift the arm up and rotate over. Arm up. Yep, good. Do it again. Okay, so arm comes up, rotates over, all the way. Now we're gonna make a full circle. Flip, full circle, all the way over. Now the other hand comes up. Now the other hand comes up and boom.
Mom, I wanted to do that for myself.
Oh, okay. Now Sidon's gonna do it all by himself and show you that he can do it. Go.
So, put this one up.
Boom! High five, you did it. Okay, so that's all we're doing today, and I hope that was enough for you to work on.
Yeah, and I'll see you on the next day. And hit that like button if you enjoyed these videos.
Yep, don't forget to like and subscribe and follow us on YouTube. See you later.
Bye.
Bye, happy dancing.
Bye.